I'm telling you. I was him telling him about the girl in England when he came this. We are writing for my subject to our way. I'm telling him that I love you. And nothing can come between us. As the saying, that's what I'm there. Let me write it down here. Number 7. Number 7 in the 10th race. 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 10th race. I get some more sleep before daylight out, man. Number 7 in the 10th race. 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 Oh, yeah!
I got you over here, do. The man left me after watching things and you're going to say I sleep.
How is that sleep, man? I watch this now, watch this. Why are you telling a lie?
I watch now. I see me somebody could have just come in here, come thief out Shanman things there. And you can't get account how thief it.
Make them come now, make them come, man. Make them come. See me and my things, yeah? I'm not afraid of man, I have this, you know. I know you're not going to stay over here. I am afraid of post. So we do over here, sorry. Come.
Just let me go, man. Just let me go. That's all you're good for. I just go and show Shalman all dirty clothes them here. And if he thinks me I wash them without him pay me, he make a sad mistake.
Right, that's why it's late. Let me know first step then, man.
Saki, no so late. Nobody left me. Saki, just come out of the kitchen here. I know what's in there, you know. He couldn't have left me one inside here. You know how this man shot her that shot. Who is there? Who is it? Miss Joyce, we're so glad to see you.
It's you, man.
Yes, Miss Joyce.
What you doing here?
Taking care of Shalman, ma'am.
And where is Shalman?
Miss Joyce, no go on, ma'am. What you mean where is Shalman, ma'am? You don't treat us on first. Miss Joyce, you look like you're vexing me.
So me notice me dear. You're really taking care of Shalman things to show. So what? Nobody never expect me to come back here.
Yes, Miss
Joyce. Me said nobody never expect me to come back here.
Yes, Miss Joyce.
So you take over fully now?
Yes, Miss.
I mean,
Miss Joyce, let me explain.
it's all right, her. You don't have to explain anything. I get the message. It's only one thing I have to say. I never knew that you was such a backstabber. After all the things that you came down to my mother's house and tell me. Now look who is where. It's all right. I was just leaving.
Miss Joyce, look! Nobody left me one inside here from this. But it's like bad luck. My foot can't walk. Both the living and the dead. Jesus.
Wait, Milwaukee. You could tell me something in the market, man.
Charlie, me so glad to see you. Where you was all this time, man?
Let me not tell you exactly from yesterday evening, so me I got country, I not come back to them today. So wait, when they not sleep last night?
He sleep your whole night last night and watch over your property. I'll go and me come wake him up this morning. Hey? And I know him one come either. You did have one visitor who me show you that glad visit. And it look like I said she come to stay because she carry grip.
You mean that just come back to me?
Only one problem, Charlie.
What is that?
She not in there.
And if she come to me, she don't must in my house. Mrs. Stabilizer, you don't know where. We don't know what she got. Where's she at? Look at her. I don't farm fool with me. Where's she at?
Listen up. Me don't know if I because she used to say me I carry 2 pieces of clothes and figure wash. And she put 2 and 2 together. She say me I have one with things. And take up the grip and gone again.
Oh, you mean she take up the farm? And I should go to that. Man, you run, you know.
Nobody come hear me now, you know. Because if you did follow what Zaki tell you, and go back fear, all this would happen to you, you know. This one not we idiot. Oh no, I go on like so, no want to know one another. I know well I want to know one another.
Look here now, please don't come happy my friend here. I'm going to look for Joyce and explain the whole thing to her.
You don't have to invite me to go look for Miss Joyce, you know, because he said me was going anywhere. And you still like go this your place and agree with me.
Aye. No, let me tell you the place. Go watch all the 2 parties.
You know what, since you tied your place, what's all the place was on?
Last man helping on my friend, and I think that you're far for you know.
You asked me if you do the look of washing, you never asked me if you clean up house, I mean, nah,
God, I'm your neighbor, I saw no steer, man. I saw no steer. When everything looked rosy with enough friend and a stick by them. But when the road seemed dark and dreary, when I'm turning up back on them. But I want to catch you over here. I want to catch you and you're a red man over here again. I say me no amputate the 2 foot. My dear, you see all them flowers here? I buy them special for you. I saw the fix of the place, nice store.
Go away, there's nothing fix it up. It's when they come and come do it for you.
That's to me, you know, when I use that one to me, I get that off. That one they come like the biggest man, they could have talked, no, don't use it in again. Please, me, I beg you, chance to use that one again.
So, Charlie, man, I was just making a little joke with you, man. I'm pulling a leg.
But you know why you know them dirty joke with me here, man? Because I them saying you know make you get a mallet because your mama I don't know which part you don't know that is on Andres, don't pull my legs. Pull something else. Come back to me, I say, man. I am so glad you come back.
Me too, Sharman. I'm so happy to be back home again. Right where I belong.
Me know. But I say, no, me want to ask you something. You didn't tidy and sit down and wait for me to come for you, no? Because I never see one man tidy and put on frack so fast. You're not dead for left your mama yard, no? You're not in a get on. Because me know you know. You're a woman, you love your tough dick, you know. Anyway, me glad you come back. Me really glad you come back. Because you see, when you never die, not a soul come here to me. No, me don't mean Zaki Amel. Me don't mean Zaki Amel. After them, you don't know nobody. No, man, I mean good, smart. And you see, when you was here, I said to myself, when you come back, I'm going to say 2 things to you. 1, Joyce, I want you to come in the taxi business with me. Don't say no, Joyce, don't say no. You do the book work and we do the dirty work and drive you out. In that way, the 2 of us can make it bigger, better, and stronger. And another thing,
I want you to believe this from the bottom of my heart. Nothing, nor nobody can come between me, you, and me taxi.